First, take the handpiece out of the package. Then, slowly remove the protective cap. Next, take out the IntraoralScanner chip. Now, firmly connect the scanner chip to the handpiece. Next, take out the base. Then, place the scanner device onto the base. This is a high-speed USB cable. Connect one end to the hub connection box. Connect the other end to the USB 3.0 port on the computer. This is the power cable. Plug it into the hub connection box. Finally, plug in the power supply, and the intraoral digital impression system is fully assembled. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a pleasant experience.